had to get the umbrella. Somebody was kind enough to bring an umbrella out here for me because it kept on raining, and I didn't get a chance to give you all the steps, but what I had to do was take the door off so I could actually just install the housing and get that going, because that took about 35-40 minutes just to drill the holes out in the back and match those up and then mount it. So although it took me more time to take the door off, it saved me a little bit of time because I could go ahead and start doing that. And I went ahead and wired my Cypress board input from my toll tag reader, output to the control board, relay A, relay B, which in this case is the entrance gate, exit gate, and then wired the keypad on the inside and wired the reader that they have, and then there's a Cypress board again, and I did all of that before I even put the board in there. And then I wired the phone, but you see I've got to take all this stuff apart. When I say all this stuff, I mean, yeah, that's not a lot, but still you got to take it apart. So still got a couple things to hook up, and then I'll be just about ready to put the door on, and then power. Okay, I got the Cypress board mounted right there where the postal lock goes. Got plenty of spare wire. I ran this up through ran the power for the Cypress board up through this little cable holder right here for the ribbon cable. So I don't think that'll cause any interference. And see that. And, so let's get power to it.